So dear students, in the previous videos we have drawn this symbol of PCA 9505. This is one way where you can simply put your pin from 1 to 28 on one side and from 29 to 56 on the other side. You can also do this thing, design your symbol in another way by separating the pins depending upon the functionality. In order to do in that way, let's add a new symbol in our library, and let me give this name to PCA 9505, and let's say it as improved. So leave other setting as it is. I am going to create in a single unit, so hit OK. Now I have added another symbol in the NXP semiconductors. Keep in mind to save your working. So over here I want to create exactly the same symbol, but there I will do some improvement, like go over here, let me select all this and hit Ctrl C to copy this symbol, and let's paste over here. Let me move this U a little side, and let's Ctrl V to paste our newly created symbol. So this is a symbol we have already created, but we have just took it from the PCA 9505 and we are going to improve it. Improvement in such a way that let me just center align this a little bit over here. Improvement means such that I want my power pins over here on the top, and the pins that are needs to be connected with the ground on the bottom, control pins on the left side, and the other IO banks on the right side. So let's first of all move our VDD and VSS pin outside the outside of the symbol. Let's say I have pin number 6 VSS. Let's select it, move over here, and we have pin number 11 VSS. Click and hit M to move over here, and we have pin number 23. Click over here and move over here, and pin number 34 is also VSS, and pin number 39 is VSS, pin number 51 is VSS. These are all the pins which are VSS pins. Now let's move VDD pin out of our symbol. This is our VDD pin. Let's move over here, and 46 pin number is also VDD. And yes, I have moved all the VDD and VSS out of this rectangle. Now what I do, I simply select pin number 18, hit M and rotate like this and place it on the top. Now I select pin number 46, hit M, rotate and place it over here. So all the VDD pins on the top and VSS pins on the bottom. Let me select this pin number 6, hit M, let's rotate and select over here. Now click on this pin, hit M, hit rotate, paste over here, click on this pin number 23, hit rotate, or I am rotating this pin by clicking R, so let's keep a little symmetry. Let's choose pin number 34, hit R to rotate and place it over here. Pin number 39, hit M, rotate, place over here. Pin number 51, hit M, rotate and place over here. So we have moved all VDD and VSS, VDD on the top of the symbol and VSS on the bottom. Keep in mind to save your work. Now it's saved. Now let's move our IO pins on the right side, all the 4 IO banks on the right side and all the other pins on the left side. So I think this reset pin and the end pin needs to be moved on this left side, and this output enable and address pin. I am pressing, holding control and clicking on the pins, that way I am going to select multiple pins. The next thing is on the right side only IOs are left, so let's choose these pin number 3, 4, 5, then 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all the bunch of, let's see if we can fit all these IOs on the right side, otherwise we can group them on the left as well. So in this way you can also make your schematic just more readable by functionally grouping these pins. So these are all the IO pins, just keep on this side. Now the pin number 1 and 2 is SDA, SCL, and the reset, and let's place address pins, because the SDA, SCL is I2C based, and these address pin also are used for addressing the IC. So let's rotate it and place it over here. Now the other, these reset, int and output enable pins, let's choose the output enable over here, click R and place over here, and choose the reset pin and place over here. Let's choose the interrupt pin, int, and place over here. Now the I2C pins are over here, the address pins, then this output reset and int pins are over here. Now let's start by placing the port 0 pins, bank 0 pins together. Pin number 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12, these are all related to bank 0 IO. So let me select this all the pins so that I can start from 0, bank 0 over here, bank 1 over here, bank 2, 3 and 4, like this. So let's first of all place this, move over here, hit rotate, place over here IO 0 and IO 1 over here. Now IO 2, IO 3, rotate IO 4, IO 5. So pin number 10 is IO 6, pin number 12, let's rotate it and pin. This is the bank 0 of the port expander. Now we are going to use this IO's bank 1. Now let me do this whole trick which I have told you while designing the symbol. Select all this, let's mirror vertically, and let's mirror mirror vertically, and let's mirror horizontally. Now yes, it's 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now let me move this pin a little out and select these pins, bank 0 pins, and place it over here. Let's move these pins a little up. So I have placed bank 0 pins and bank 1 pins. Now it's time to place our bank 2 pins. Let's select this, right click, mirror horizontally, and let's align this pin over here. Select these all, hit M to move our pins over here. Now the remaining pins from of bank 2 are over here. That is, select this, move over here, select bank 2 pin 4, place it over here, bank 2 pin 5, bank 2 pin 6. Now keep in mind to save. Let's save our work. Now IO2 pin 7 is over here, move over here. Now we are left with two banks that are IO3 and IO4. Let's move. I think I can place it over here. Let's first of all make these and move them a little above. Similarly, let's select this and move them over here, and let's select port expander bank 3 and mirror vertically so that we can have 0 1 2 3 like this, and let's mirror horizontally so that we can have our wire connection on the left side. So let's place over here. It says 0 1 2 3. Now let's move these pins like this. So we have bank 3 arranged in the ascending order of its pins 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's arrange our bank 4, move over here, let's select these, right click over here, right click and mirror horizontally, and we have 7 above. Let's mirror vertically. We have 0 1 2 3 in the ascending order, so let's move and place it over here. So let's reduce the distance between them, move one step above, simply select this and move one step above. So let's save our work. Now we have arranged our symbol in terms of its functionality. Like we have bank 0 over here, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, bank 4. So let's give a little distance between them so that it looks a little symmetrical. Let's select our bank 2 and our rectangle got selected. So let's hit M and place it over here. Similarly, let's select our bank 1, hit M. Oh, the rectangle got said, hit escape, select this, let's unselect this bank 0 pin, unselect our rectangle, hit M and move in the center. Yes, this is the center of the symbol, so select over here. Now you can similarly do over here, select these pins, hit M and move this bank 4 towards the bottom, and let's select bank 3, hit M and move over here and hit save to save our symbol. So let's move this, select this U designator, let's place it over here. Now you can see we have our pins arranged in terms of functionality. No matter how these pins are, one on the the one pin will remain connected to the one pin of the footprint. Similarly, if I have taken 12 pin over here, but in the footprint the pin number 12 circuit will be routed with the pin number 12 of the footprint. So hit save. So let's check in the schematic editor how our newly created symbol looks. We have saved this. Let's open our schematic editor. This we have created this project in the previous video. Let's add symbol and going to add symbol. You can see in the library we have PCA 9505 and 9505 improved, and let's add both of these. Let's first of all add our previous symbol. Let's add another one. This is the, we have double click over here and add this. So you can see this is the difference. Over the left side, sorry, I just clicked again. On the left side we have pins arranged like 1 2 3 4 5 6, but we have names and functionality on the different locations in the symbol. On the right side we have this section that this one section that is concerned with the I2C, this with the pins, this bank 3, bank 4, this is the ground one, bank 2, bank 1 and bank 0, and power nets on the above side. So this is one way to design your symbol. It's up to you which type method you prefer, and it's depend upon your all the easiness, how you find it easy, the way in which you find it you design your symbol. So we have designed PCA 9505 in this method in the exactly same way as there is on the schematic, sorry, on the datasheet, and this is the other way you can design your symbol. It's just a matter of your personal preference. So thank you for watching this, being till here.